a volcanic model. This is volcano. Volcano is a big mountain. Inside the volcano there is hot lava.
Now we are doing a practical. We put colored water in the volcano. We put eno powder.
See ma'am, the lava comes out like the real volcano. When eno mixes with water, it makes gas and the lava comes out. So, this is how volcanic